First, log into your Printify account and navigate to an existing product you wish to add variations to. Alternatively, if you're creating a new product from scratch, you'll follow similar steps as you build your listing. Once on your product page, scroll down to the variations section here. You'll see options to add different types of variations, commonly size or color. Click on the Add Another Color or Add Another Size button, depending on the variation you want to introduce. A drop-down menu will appear showing available colors or sizes for your chosen product type. Select the specific variations you want to offer. You can choose multiple options here. For example, if you're selling a shirt, you might select black, white, and navy as colors. After selecting your variations, Printify will automatically generate mockups for each of them. This is crucial for customers to visualize the product in different colors or sizes. Make sure these mockups look good and represent your product accurately. Next, you'll be able to set individual prices for each variation. While often the price is the same, you have the flexibility to adjust it. For instance, larger sizes might have a slightly higher cost due to material usage. If you need to edit an existing variation, simply click on it from your product page to make changes. Once you're satisfied with all your added variations, mockups, and pricing, hit the Save Product button. Your updated product listing, now featuring all its new variations, will be live and ready to attract more customers.